All right, good morning from the woods. Boondocking here. That's the state forest land in Michigan, northern Michigan. And today's the day. I'm excited because today, cross country RV and solar parked behind me back there is going to start putting solar on my roof. Whoa, look at that! I can see my roof here. I don't know if you remember that. Come on, I'm going to take some shots of the progress. So yeah, solar panels, electronic controllers, big beard battery, yeah, and a late edition Starlink. Heck yeah, man. I was telling him, boy, I like to have Starlink. He goes, yeah, go grab one, I'll throw it on for you. Sweet, doing it. Electronic controllers, big beard battery,